Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with the part 2 of aptitude questions, that is problem on ages. So before going in detail, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So coming to the part 2 of problem on ages. So if you have missed the problem on ages part 1, the link is given in the description, so you can go directly to the link and watch the video of part 1 of problems on ages. So coming to this problem on ages of part 2, let's get started with the problems. That is, the present ratio of ages of A and B is 6 is to 7. After 5 years, their ratio will be changed to 7 is to 8. Find the present age of A and B. So here they have given you the ratios. So we have to find out the ages, how much their age is right now. So in the present, what they have given you, A is to B is 6 is to 7, present age. But what they are, again, other ratio is also given, that is nothing but after 5 years they have given. So how to solve this? This is a general method how we solve is 6. We don't know how much the age is. Let's take as x. Okay, so then we have after 5 years they said, so plus 5, 6x plus 5 by 7x plus 5 equal to the what they said after 5 years, how the ratio will be there, 7 is to 8, right? So 7 by 8. So just multiply, both crisscross multiply. So 8 into 6x plus 5 equal to 7 into 7x plus 5. That is nothing but 48x plus 40 equal to 49x plus 35. In that, x will be 5. So by solving the above equation, you will find x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 means how much the present age they are asking. Just leave it about this 5 years. They are asking 6x and 7x. X is nothing but 5. So 6 into 5 and 7 into 5. 30 is to 35. And if you have any doubt, so 30 is to 35, if we get cancelled, 5 6 are 5 7s are. And the present ratio they have given 6 is to 7. So is that matching? So this is how you will crisscross the answers and find out whether it is right or wrong. So this is a process, and this is a general process all people will do. This takes a lot of steps. So I would like to tell you about the other step, which is very easy, and this takes time. So aptitude have to do it in a seconds. So then you can easily get placed in some other companies or anything, right? So coming to the other method, what they have given, see, A is to B is 6 is to 7 in the present ratio. After 5 years, how much it became? 7 is to 8. Then what they have said you, that present age we have to find out. So A after what is the ratio they have given? 5, right? So 5 by what is the difference between 6 and 7? 7 minus 6 is 1, right? So 1 into how much they were saying for A, right? For A is 6. So 6. So how many years they have given? How many years they have given? What is the difference between this, both the A's, and into present age ratio, that is 6. So 5 by 1 into 6, that is 30 years. Same as like for B, it is 5 years. And what is the difference between 7 and 8? 1. And what is the B ratio in the present age? It is 7. So into 7, so 30 and 35 years. So same we got, right? So this is how you will solve the problems. This makes a less number of minutes, and that too it is very easy if you just know it very well. Okay, so I was just telling you again, this is that what they have given after 5 years or before 5 years or something, that will be there on the top, and the difference will be there on the denominator, and the ratio of A or B, what we have to find out, will be there in the multiplication. That's all. This is how we will solve the problems. And here, see, the ratio of ages of A is to B at present is 5 is to 6. 6 years before their age of their ratio was 4 is to 5. and find the present age of A and B. So we have to find out present age of A and B. So we will not do in a general method. Okay, this is the present age they have given, this is the before 6 years age they have given. So just simply write that. See how before 6 years or after 5 years, just that will be there on the top, and the difference between them will be there in the numerator. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and into A's ratio we have to find out, it is 5, so 30. And here other one 6, 6 and 5, what is the difference? 1, and into B's ratio is 6. So in 30 is to 36. If you just want to confirm it, so 30 is to 36, like 5 5s are, sorry, 6 5s are and 6 6 are, 5 is to 6. The ratio is same. So this is the right answer. So the general method takes time. So please do in this method, then do 4 to 5 problems, then you'll be very clear with this method. Here we have another problem. See, the ratio of ages of A and B at present is 6 is to 5, and the sum of their ages is 54 years after 5 years. What will be the ratio of their ages after 8 years? So what they have given, present ratio they have given, and after 5 years they have given some sum, and after 8 years we have to find out them. What is the ratio of their ages? So just see what they have given at present. A 6 is to 5, right? After 5 years, A plus B is 54 years. But in present, what we have to do for A5 and B5, that we have to minus, because after 5 years they have given. If they have given before 5 years, we used to do plus 10. But now they have given after 5 years, so we have to minus 10 years. So minus 10, it is nothing but 44. And what is the sum of that 44 by 11? It is 4. So what you have to do, 6 with 4 you have to do, it is 24 is to 28. 24 is to 20. Okay, that is fine, that is the present age. But what they are given after 8 years we have to. So after 8 years means, just we know the present age, after 8 years means just add 8 on both sides. Then 24 plus 8 is 32, 20 plus 8 is 28. But this is not the correct answer. What they asked you in a ratio, just do it in a ratio. That is 4 8s are 32 and 4 7s are 28. So 8 is to 7. This is how you will solve the problems. And here is a question for you all, guys. Just solve this question and give me the answer in the comment section, so that I'll solve this in the next video. 1 year ago, Pramod was 4 times as old as her daughter Sakshi. 6 years hence, Pramod's age will exceed her daughter's age by 9 years. Find the ratio of Pramod and his daughter's age. So please do it in the and give me the answer in the comment section. And the video in the last part 1 is this. The ratio of ages of A and B after 5 years will be 3 is to 5. If the sum of their ages at present is 38 years, find the ages of A and B before 5 years. Okay, then what they have given, A is to B is 3 is to 5. It is after 5 years the ratio was given. So sum of the ratio at present how much they have given, 38. But what we have to find out, at present they have given, but we have to find out after 5 years. So after 5 years means obviously we have to add 10 years, that is for 5 A and B. So 48 you got. So 48 by sum of the ratios 8, so 6. So 3 is to 5 into 6. So 3 into 6 is 18 and 5 into 6 is 30. This is fine, okay. But now what they are asking you is, this is the age after 5 years. Okay, just be careful, this is after 5 years. But now to find out the present ratio, so we have to just minus 5, right? So after 18 minus 5 it is 13, 30 minus 5 it is 25. This is the present age, and but what they are asking in the question, we have to find out the ages of A before 5 years. So be careful when you are doing what is the present age, what is the after 5 years age, what is the before 5 years age. This is the how you use your mind to get know about all this. This comes only doing the problems. And here present age is this, right? So we have to find out before 5 years. So minus 5, 13 minus 5 is 8, 25 minus 5 is 20. So before 5 years, A is to B ratio is 8 is to 20. Or just solve it 4 and 10. That, sorry, 2 and 5. So it comes 2 is to 5. That's all. So if we want to solve this, and this is how we will solve the problems on ages. So be practicing with the problems so that this will be easy for you all guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.